Hey, this is Dave and Rich again at housebearings.com. We're going to show you how to remove a shark bite fitting from this PEX pipe. It works the same way with copper. These shark bite fittings are real convenient for doing quick on and offs, and so let's get to it. Okay, for our purposes today, this is the only tool you need. It's basically a plastic horseshoe that's exactly a ½ inch wide. And its purpose is to do exactly what this is. It slides up the pipe to the shark bite fitting, and it compresses this plastic ring right there that is around the PEX pipe. This is going to get compressed into the body of here with this tool, and once this gets compressed in, it releases the hold it has on the pipe, and it easily comes off. All right, so what we're doing is putting this horseshoe onto the PEX pipe. We're going to push it up there, and that should compress in. This one's a little tight. I'm going to see if I can release some of the pressure in the pipe, because these pipes originally did have water in them. They're turned off now, but there's still some pressure buildup in there. I'm going to release that. There we go. That released the pressure. That'll help. All right, second try. We'll go ahead and put this back on. And press up. Oh, okay, here, I'm going to do it like this. Ready? Okay, press and pull. There you go. And just drain that water out of there. And there you go. So I can show you up close now how that's the fitting, and this is just pressing this in so it'll release its hold on that. So if I can, I'll push it up against this wall here and you can see it go in. It only goes in just the slightest little bit. See that? Did you get that? Okay. So when you just press it in just the least little bit, it'll let go, and it can be reused again. All right, now that I've got the shark bite fitting off, I can go ahead and put this back through the hole to the other side, and then we'll go in that room, and I will reinstall this. All right, now that you know how to get this off, putting it on is twice as easy. It simply just slides on and it compresses on, and you'll feel it catch or bottom out. Boom, and you can hear that. And that's not coming off unless you use that tool. All right, hope this helps. Thanks a lot for viewing. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We've got lots more videos coming. Thanks again for watching.